everyone, welcome back if you are new here. My name is Niusha, and as always, it's amazing to have you here with me. We are going to look into the Efflorescent Tarot. So, without further ado, let's jump into it. The Efflorescent Tarot comes with this beautiful box with sunflower patterns and a shiny design sun. Such a beautiful box. So it is by a pony coin archer, and if you look closely, it says the efflorescent adjective bursting into flower. So it's a botanically inspired deck in the Rider-Waite-Smith tradition with 22 card major arcana and our traditional 4 suits: pentacles, swords, and rods and cups. So here it says rods, but actually on the cards are wands, just to keep in mind. And is the guidebook is also written by Olivia Peppa. Beautiful. Lovely inside the box. Also other side. Good. So we have a shiny guidebook. Very sweet. Okay, how to get to know your deck. Sitting with efflorescence, a simple first reading, and then we have about the suits, wands, the cups, pentacles, swords, and then we go to in this guidebook, the structure first starts with the 4 suits, and towards the end, it goes to major arcanas, and at the end, we have index of flowers presented. So a bit more detail what each flower means. I wish we had a picture of the flowers because I'm not familiar with nearly most of them. Yeah, but just a small detail. Good. Beautiful back. Lovely gold edge. So it is bigger in size compared to a standard tarot deck, and it's 350 GSM art paper. It has a UV varnish, and I love it. I love glossy decks also. I think the colors are more vibrant, of course, in a glossy cardstock, and I love this feeling of them. The unique thing about this deck, which I'm so attracted, and that makes this deck in my top 10 tarot decks, are the facial expressions of the people in this deck. They have these sad vibes. It's kind of you see, there is a, how to say it, there is a sadness, calmness. It doesn't make me feel sad. Contrary, it I want to know their stories. It kind of invites me to have a open communication with each characters in each cards. Look at, for example, the High Priest. Look at the face. It has this gloomy face. I don't know how I can describe it better, but I think you can see in each characters the faces very kind of not happy, let's say. And I love that. And I'm so connected to each of these characters. So let's look into each card one by one. Okay, shuffling. Let's see. With riffle shuffling is doable. Nothing is impossible. But yeah, I think not my favorite kind of shuffling with big decks. Let's try side shuffling. I think that's the easiest one. Beautiful. Lovely. Let's say, oops, sliding, shuffling. Oh my gosh, the cards are so slippery. Okay, yeah. It's fun to shuffle this deck. Let's check the guidebook. One. The Hierophant. Interesting. Let's see. The Hierophant. Where are you? Where are you? Okay, okay, okay. Yeah. Guarding mysteries. Trained and knowing. This is the mysterious process by which tiny leaflets form on our seedlings, and the plants startlingly replicate themselves, seemingly from nothing, from a fate the size of a mustard seed. We endeavor to grow, we endeavor to transform, to redeem, to live to our fullest. The Hierophant translates mysteries for us, fertilizes us with wisdom that we may grow tall and strong. Keyboards, spirituality, oblation, and prayer. Let me know in the comments what's your thought about this deck. Do you like it? Do you have it, or do you wish to buy it? From my side, as I said, this is one of my top favorite decks. I love it. I love this sadness feelings on the cards, and the only negative side I can say is maybe the guidebook could be a bit well written, or more a story behind each character would be really appreciated, and especially as I mentioned, maybe some pictures of the flowers that are in the index part of the guidebook would help us a lot to easier figure it out which flowers are in which cards, for example. But yeah, small details, but nothing else more. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, please stay safe, healthy, and on top of everything, happy. Bye bye.